welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for watching, and I'd just like to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified of other videos. Today I'm doing a face mask, a round face mask, and I am using a plate that measures about 10.5 inches wide, and I'm just going to mark this around to get an even circle. All right, next I'm going to cut this around. All right, all cut, and now I am going to fold this in half. Just crease that. And then I'm going to fold that again in half, and I'm going to again crease that. Here now I have the 4 pieces, having cut along the creases. I have cut 2 pieces of interfacing to match, and I have also cut 2 pieces of elastic, each 6.5 inches. I have now pinned together 2 pieces that I will use for the front, and I have put the interfacing face down on top of each, so the right sides are together and the interfacing on top of each side, and what will be the underside I have also pinned together. Now I'm going to sew along the arch there and along this one. I now have both pieces stitched together. This is the part I'll use on the inside, so I'm going to turn this over, and then I am going to place this right side down on the inside, so both right sides will be facing, and I'm going to pin this in place. I am now going to stitch this together, and I'll leave a small opening, about a 1-inch opening on the side here, so that it can be turned over easily. Alright, here it is, all stitched together, turned inside out. This is what the inside looks like. I have used a pin to hold the opening so that when I stitch around it, that section will be stitched down. I have also just indented the pointed side a little bit, and here is where I am going to insert my elastic. So I'm going to put the elastic in there and then pin this in place, and I'll do that for both sides. And then I'll do that for the other side as well. There. Next I'll just stitch all the way around to neaten and to hold the elastic in place. And here it is. This is the inside and the outer section, and your elastic is firmly connected. Please share your views in the comment section below, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be informed of other videos. Thank you.